Veronica and welcome back to our channel. A lot of you have requested in past videos for me to do a video by myself, so today I'm recreating 2 hairstyles from Black Widow. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. To start off, I'm going to apply our golden treatment to my hair to make it look nice and shiny. And I'm going to brush it so that no knots get in the way. Now I'm going to make a part halfway through my hair from ear to ear and tying up the bottom half so that it doesn't get in the way. It doesn't have to be perfect. With the top half of my hair, I'm just going to brush it up like I would do with a normal high ponytail and tie it up with a normal hair band. When that's done, I'm going to take out the bottom half and retie it with that same elastic band, just a little bit higher than it was before. Apply some hairspray and pull, and if you want, pull out bits of hair. And this is the final result. I really like this hairstyle because it's really quick and easy to do, and I can do it in 2 minutes. For the second hairstyle, I'm going to start off by dividing my hair vertically through the middle. Make sure to brush your hair before this so it's easier to part. And I'm going to tie up one half with a hair elastic. I've already done one side, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the other side. The first thing you're going to do is take a little bit of hair from the front and divide it into 3 pieces. Make sure to brush this half of the hair before doing the hairstyle so that it's easier. To do a Dutch braid, you're just going to take one of the side pieces and cross it under the middle one. Then you're going to take the strand from the other side and put it in the middle. Make sure you keep all 3 strands separated so that it's easier and won't get tangled at the bottom. When adding the next strand, add a little bit of hair from the bottom and cross it under the middle one. Do the same thing with the opposite side. Grab some hair and cross it through the middle one. Repeat those same steps on the other side. Grab the strand you're working with, add some hair to it, and cross it under the middle one. Now again, on the other side, you're going to grab the strand you're working with, add some hair to it, and cross it under the middle one. And again, grab the strand, add some hair to it, and cross it under the middle one. I'm going to keep repeating these steps until I add the remaining hair and get to the bottom of my head. When you've added the rest of the hair, just keep braiding until you get to the bottom and tie it with an elastic band. When you finish braiding both braids, make a knot and start wrapping them around each other. Hold them in place with bobby pins or bun pins until it feels secure. Use as many as you need. This is the final result. I like this hairstyle when I want to have my hair up, and it's perfect for any sport. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye!